Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pour sand into mixing bowl. Pour sand into mixing bowl. It's important that the sand is kept dry. Add in cornstarch. Mix cornstarch and sand. Make the colored soapy water solution. Add color to your soapy water solution. Add soapy colored solution to your sand and mix. Enjoy your kinetic sand, the 15th of June 2020.
Take our lead.
Does kinetic sand dry out like Play-Doh if it's left out? No, it doesn't dry out. I usually still store it in a Ziploc bag just to keep it all together since the container it comes with doesn't have a cover, but then we have left it out overnight many times and still good as new.
Take our lead.
You can use any variety of sand for your DIY kinetic sand. Play sand from the hardware store works great, as does fine beach sand. We like to buy craft, decorators sand in different colors as the bright colors add to the sensory experience.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.